Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
If you have dandruff, get rid of it very simple and easy with the help of this very cheap mixture. Many people all over the world deal with dandruff. Although this common skin condition is only an aesthetic issue, it can have a negative impact on the person's self-esteem. Dandruff is the shedding of dead skin cells from the scalp. So, as skin cells die, they cause a small amount of flaking. However, there are people who experience an abnormal flaking. This condition can be accompanied by redness, irritation, and itching. There are various causes of dandruff, such as oily skin, dry skin, or some other skin conditions. For instance, dandruff may also be triggered by eczema or psoriasis, as well as a yeast-like fungus called malassezia. Furthermore, dandruff may appear as a result of sensitivity to hair care products. In order to treat dandruff, there is a simple and natural remedy. All you need is an affordable ingredient you probably already have in your home: apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar for dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is an ancient remedy for numerous ailments. It is packed with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thus, apple cider vinegar can maintain the pH balance of the scalp and remove buildup without stripping the hair of its natural oils. What most important when using apple cider vinegar for your hair is to choose the right type. You should pick out an organic apple cider vinegar, which is unfiltered, unpasteurized, and unprocessed. How to use ACV for dandruff. In order to use apple cider vinegar for dandruff, you should follow these guidelines. First, wash your hair normally with shampoo. Then, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water and apply the mixture onto your scalp. You should use your fingers or a cotton ball. Next, gently massage your scalp and wrap your hair with a shower cap or a towel. You should leave the mixture for about 10-15 minutes and wash off with warm water. You shouldn't use shampoo after applying the ACV. Repeat this treatment on a daily basis for about a week. Note: in case you have a sensitive skin, test a small area of your scalp first before continuing with the above treatment.